What's going on, everyone? Trent here at Rocky Mountain. Today we're going to talk about the Tusk impact wheels for these Sur-Ron Light Bee X models. Now, you already know, if you love Sur-Rons, Tusk has got a lot of stuff to make your experience with your Sur-Ron better. Now, nothing makes as big a difference to the way that your bike can feel, as well as the obstacles that you can tackle, as much as a wheel and tire set. These Tusk impacts are bringing a lot more needed strength, as well as some different sizing options that are going to allow you to fine-tune the way your Sur-Ron feels when you're out on it. Now, when it comes to strength and how we've made it so that this Tusk impact wheel set is the last wheel set you're going to need to throw on your Sur-Ron, we got to start with the hub. This is a 6061 T6 forged aluminum hub. This is a machine-specific part, so it's going to come with all the spacers that you need, as well as it's going to have the ability to use your stock rotors and your OE style sprockets. Now, again, when it comes to these Light Bee X's, Tusk is the place for aftermarket parts, and we've got different tooth count for those rear sprockets. So if you're upgrading your wheels, change up your gearing a little bit, punch up that acceleration. Now, moving out from the hub, we're going to move to the spokes. This is a 304 stainless steel spoke, and the big thing with our impacts is this is a 10 gauge spoke. The stock ones are 12 gauge, and they do leave a lot to be desired. Moving out to the rim, this is a 70/50 rim, and it's anodized black for that nice factory finish. Now, adding all that together, this is going to be the makings of a bulletproof wheel setup. If you're looking to push harder through the trails or hit the jumps a little bit harder, go a little higher, this wheel set's going to hold up to all the abuse. Now, when it comes to sizing for these, this is where the impacts really stand out from the rest. We've got these impacts for the Light Bee X in 3 different sizes. So you've got the 1919 stock wheels. This has got a 1919 setup that we've got right here. And this is going to allow you to keep running those e-bike tires like our Tusk ground wires. Great tire, and this is going to be for those riders that do a little bit of everything on their Sur-Ron. So a little bit of trail use, a little bit of jumps. This is your great all-around tire setup. Now, the next setup that we're going to talk about is the 1916. If you love to jump, if you love to rock these things out on the pit bike track or on pump tracks and hit the jumps and go hard, the 1916 is your ultimate setup. With the 19 front and then 16 rear, this allows you to run super mini tire sizes. So KX100, big wheel 85s, you can get the tires right off of those bikes and slap them on here. With the wider rear end, that's going to add in more strength but more grip. So you're going to be able to hook out of those corners to throw those jumps just a little bit harder. The last one that we offer is the 21 front, 18 rear. Now, the big thing that this is going to do is if you are going to be doing some light duty trail use on this, and that's primarily what the bike is used for, this is going to be your ultimate setup. A 21 front is going to roll over obstacles more. It's going to add in more of that trail stability. So if you're hitting rocks and logs and stumps and stuff like that, the bigger front tire is going to roll over it easier, making your confidence go up. The 18-inch rear, being just a hair smaller, is going to allow you to get a tire with a little bit more sidewall, which is going to give you more comfort as well as more grip when you're out on the trails. Now, a big thing to note with that setup is it's not intended for hard use. With the 21 front on these bikes, unless you modify your front forks, you will bottom out on the tire before your forks bottom out. So if you're using this bike for light duty trail use, the 2118 is going to be your ultimate setup. Now, regardless of the style of riding that you do, if you're looking to fine-tune that feel as well as add in that strength, the impact wheels needs to be on your short list of things you throw on your Sur-Ron. If you want to get yours, jump to the link or go to RockyMountainATVMC.com to find yours. As always, we do offer free shipping on all orders over 75 bucks. So if you're looking for your place to get ready, Rocky Mountain's the place to be. I'm Trent, and thanks so much for watching.